Hi, my name is Trip Kucera, Senior Research Analyst for Marketing Strategy and Effectiveness at the Aberdeen Group. Over the last few weeks, Technology Marketing in Mind has featured a discussion about the state of sales and marketing alignment. This is such a critical topic, and as Aberdeen's research makes clear, alignment of both process and message between marketing and sales leads directly to better business outcomes. I want to spend a few moments reflecting on some recent data from Aberdeen's research about this important area, particularly on the way that the marketing and sales relationship must respond to the changing buyer's journey, which we call the hidden sales cycle. Now, the hidden sales cycle is a way of looking at influence and vision. Customers today are so well informed, there really aren't any secrets anymore. From public forums like user groups, LinkedIn groups, and Twitter, to the frictionless ability to connect with colleagues and peers, buyers can find out everything they need to know about products and services they're considering. As a result, the ability of companies to influence buyers and build their vision has diminished, at least through traditional means. Now, marketing has done a good job, by and large, of responding to this shift, and we've seen practices like lead nurturing evolve to reflect a more conversational relationship with the buyers. It's also reflected in the intense focus we see around social media marketing, as companies try to figure out new ways of communicating and reaching customers. Marketers have also known for a long time that even the best leads aren't ready to buy after the first contact. In fact, Aberdeen's recent research shows that customers receive an average of 10 marketing touches as prospects. So what does all this mean, particularly in context of the marketing and sales relationship? As companies extend the conversations they're having with buyers across social media and other means, it will be key for sales and marketing to stay on the same page. For example, a recent Aberdeen survey showed that nearly half of sales leaders are using social selling. Now, this makes sense given the one-to-one conversational nature of social media, but it really needs to be developed in concert with broader social media marketing efforts that might be happening in the organization. For example, Aberdeen's B2B social media marketing report found that best-in-class companies, top performers in terms of marketing's contribution to forecasted pipeline and customer retention, year-over-year growth, were 70% more likely than other companies to have a process in place to transfer information that's captured in social media over to sales and service reps. This is consistent with broader trends we see around the dissemination of marketing messages and materials to sales among better performing companies, namely that they just do it more often and are more effective. And it's really part of a broader marketing and sales intelligence effort to better respond to buyers and identify a propensity or intent to buy. When it comes to lead management, coordination and collaboration between marketing and sales is absolutely vital to success. I noted in a recent TMIM blog post that Aberdeen's recent marketing lead management study shows top performing companies, those with highest increase in contribution to sales forecasted pipeline and company revenue, as well as many UK firms, by the way, are more likely to adopt several practices that speak directly to the efficacy of marketing and sales alignment. For example, 70% of best-in-class and 65% of UK companies in our study have a process to establish the criteria for a qualified lead between sales and marketing, compared with about 45% of all other companies. In addition, 59% of best-in-class companies, 52% of UK companies have a process between sales and marketing to define a lead scoring criteria, the basis of many lead nurturing programs. This all tells us that sales and marketing alignment is really a business imperative today. But the road isn't easy and requires good old-fashioned relationship building, sometimes overcoming institutional biases on both sides of the table. And I have a little bit of fun with that in the blog post that's on TMIM. But the payoff is clear. Top-performing companies consistently show that they've figured some of this stuff out, and they're working towards a common goal, which, after all, is to understand the needs of buyers and to close the deal. Now, if you're interested in learning a little bit more about sales and marketing alignment and Aberdeen's research, I would encourage you to take a look at the blog post that I mentioned. As well, you can take a look at aberdeen.com, where the benchmark report on sales and marketing alignment is available. Just search Power Couple in the search bar and you'll find that piece of research. For Aberdeen Group, I'm Trip Kucera.